Thank you for taking a look at my glass mulls. This is for painters that would like to mix their own paints, whether from powders, oil paints, acrylics. These are little glass mulls that I make. This one is 2 inch by 1 inch. This one is 1 1/8 by roughly 1 inch. You can see how rough it is on the one side, but that's just so that you can hold them. This one is 5 inches by 1 inch. You can see that it has a little bit of a texture on it itself, which may help quite a bit. And held in the hand becomes quite stable. The piece of glass that I have here is sandblasted. It is not included in the glass mulls. This is slightly sandblasted. These I've had for quite a long time, but I probably will add some square ones. Maybe 8 by 8 is basically all you really need. You can hear, this is the glass. Here, this is the glass, nice and smooth, sandblasted. So I could do a full demonstration on how to do it, but you already know what you're doing. If you need to lift it, just simply lift it. If you need to bring it out to the edge in order to get air underneath it, lift it. You can use it that way, or you could use the smaller one if you mix in small amounts. And once again, small amounts and or small amounts, small amounts. These are very nice. I have sold a couple of them, and the people that have purchased them really think that they're very, very nice. Gives a nice nice way to control it, because you're controlling it right there by hand. Really mix the powder in with your medium. Thank you for looking. I think I'm probably going to be around $50 for the three. For these three. Prices on the glass have not been set, but you can get your own glass. You can go to your local glass shop, get a chunk of glass. Some local glass shops already have sandblasters. They can sandblast it to be a lot cheaper than me sending you this 12 by 12 or 8 by 8 or whatever. So take a look at it. Leave a comment below in the video if you like to have more information on it, or you like it. Share it with your other artist friends, and I would be more than happy to do some more demonstration on these. Thank you very much for taking a look, and happy painting.